In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale photos with AI in Canva. Upscaling is a simple way to make a low-resolution image look clearer and more usable, especially when you need a sharper result for sharing, printing, or using in a design. I will walk you through the process from start to finish, using the built-in AI tools in Canva. First, launch Canva. Open the Canva homepage in your web browser, or open the Canva mobile app if that is what you are using. Once the app or website is open, take a moment to make sure you are signed in so you can access your projects and tools without interruptions. Next, upload your image. You can start a new design or you can open an existing project if you already have a layout in place. Then look at the left sidebar and find the Uploads tab. Click it to bring up the upload area. From there, upload your low-resolution JPEG or PNG file. You may want to double-check that you are uploading the correct version since the final quality will depend on the image you start with. After the upload finishes, select the image. Click on the photo you just uploaded to place it onto your canvas. When you click it, make sure it is properly selected so you can access the editing options. This step is important because the Upscale tool applies directly to the image that is selected. Now you are ready to access the Upscale tool. Look at the floating toolbar at the top of your screen. Click Edit Photo, or you may see Edit Image depending on your interface. Keep your eyes on that top toolbar because the Upscale option is part of the photo editing workflow. Then, apply the AI upscaling. Scroll down until you reach the Tool section and select Upscale. If you do not see it immediately in that section, you can also try the other method. Go to Apps on the left panel and search for Image Upscaler. When you select the tool, it will automatically upscale your photo using AI. This automatic enhancement is the part that saves time, since you do not have to manually adjust pixels or use complex editing. Once the upscaling runs, review and replace the result. Canva will display a preview so you can compare the before and after states. Take a moment to inspect the details, especially around edges, text, and facial features, if the image includes people. If the enhanced version looks good to you, proceed to the next action. When you are satisfied, click Add to Design or Replace, depending on what option is shown. Add will keep the improved image as a new layer, while Replace swaps the enhanced image into the same spot. Either choice puts your upscaled photo onto the canvas for use in your design. Finally, download your upscaled image. When your image looks the way you want, click Share, then choose Download. Canva will prompt you to select a file type. For best results, download it as a high-quality JPEG or PNG, and if you need a document-style format, you can also choose PDF. After you select the format, confirm the download and save the file to your computer or device. That is the full process, from uploading a low-resolution photo to downloading a clearer upscaled version directly in Canva. That covers everything you need to know.